Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the list of available languages from Toolkit Tools. So all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. Let me choose French. Just tap on it. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. So you can change to English. Just tap on it, go back, and everything will be displayed in English. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.